Welcome back to Vlogmas and another day of bad hair. Hey everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel and another day of Vlogmas where you guys know I'm uploading a new video every single day right up until December 24th. Today's video is super exciting because I have another unboxing slash try on haul for you guys from JJ's House. I already did one review video for JJ's House right at the beginning of this year, although can we just take a second for how quickly that time has flown, because it feels like it happened like 2 weeks ago. And that was my first experience with JJ's House. I really didn't know anything about it. I didn't know what to expect. It's an online dress store and they have a huge selection of really beautiful dresses. Like they have cocktail dresses, bridesmaid dresses, wedding dresses, like really fancy, elegant, nice dresses. And my favorite thing about them that I learned last time was that it's completely customizable. So when you order these cocktail dresses and these evening gowns, you can usually pick from like a bunch of different colors and then you can have it tailored to your own size. I just feel like that's a game changer. Where was this website when I was shopping for my prom dress? You guys will know if you saw that first review that I did that I absolutely fell in love with my dress from them. It was this red cocktail dress. It was very fancy schmancy. The quality, the style, it all just blew me away and I made Cody take me out for a very fancy dinner so that I could wear it. So when JJ's House offered to send me some more dresses to try out for you guys, there was no way I was turning down that opportunity. This time, I've opted for more like casual style dresses because they do have a whole section on their website that's more kind of like off the rack, day to day, nice but not like a ball gown type of style. Also, before we delve into this box, which really I just can't wait any longer, but I need to say this first, you guys, if you want to go ahead and purchase anything from JJ's House, I have a coupon code, it's aimee.twentyodd. I will leave that in the description box along with the links to all of the things that I have in my box that I'm about to open now because I've been waiting since last night when it got here and the suspense is killing me. Ooh, okay, I'm very excited. Let's start with this black dress first because this is kind of the showstopper piece that I ordered. This one comes in at $133, so it's more expensive than the others that I chose, but it looked absolutely beautiful online. Oh my goodness, this is stunning. There's just so much detail on here that I feel like I need to try it on to show you exactly what it looks like. Oh my goodness. I actually think that I love this even more than my red dress. Oh yes, I'm having the princess vibes again and I feel like my best self. Oh, it's just such beautiful quality. I mean, there's boning up in here, there's the ruching around the waist. The way that the skirt falls is just so beautiful and so elegant, and this embroidery, I'm gonna get up close so you can take a look at it. It's amazing. So look at the top of the dress here. All of this is embroidery, and then it comes up into this sheer fabric at the top, and look at the back. It's just so beautiful and glamorous. It's so feminine. I love the little pop of color here as opposed to just wearing like a plain black dress. The fit is absolutely amazing. So hallelujah, at 28 years old, I can use a measuring tape. Good to know. I cannot express to you how much I'm in love with this dress. Cody's gonna have to take me out for another fancy meal. Good luck with that, babe. Woo! I'm gonna take a step back so you can get a sense of the length of the dress too, because I feel like it just falls at the perfect place. It's right below the knee, so it's very elegant and a little bit modest. I know that I keep stressing this point, but the quality on this dress, it feels like a much more expensive dress than it actually is. Okay, next we have a more casual dress. This is a green maxi dress that came in at $46. And again, I'm holding it up here, but I'm gonna try it on for you to see. The fabric feels like a really lovely quality, and I can already tell that this is going to be a dress that I can be very swishy in, and I love that. Okay, let's try it on. I can't wait any longer. Okay, so full disclosure, this is the lowest cut item of clothing I have ever owned in my life. I feel very exposed right now because it's cut right the way down to the Empire waistline right here. But I think what I would do to just make it to the point where I would feel comfortable to be in public is I would just take it like this and just put like a little stitch right here. I know a bunch of people like this whole look and it looks good on other people. I fully support you if you like this kind of thing, but for me, I just feel a little bit naked. But other than that one small thing, which I can easily fix myself with my sewing kit later, this dress, another big win. It has so much fabric at the bottom. Again, I'm gonna step further back so you can get a better look. It has so much fabric, it's so flowy. It has lining underneath that comes to just above the knee, so it's not going to be see-through because this fabric that's on top is a little bit sheer. But look at the volume of fabric. Look at that quality. Take a look at the back, which has this really pretty cross strap detailing. These straps are adjustable. It is long for me. I'm pretty much on the short side. I'm like 5'3" on a good day. With heels, it would be fine, but if I wanted to wear it with flat shoes, then I would need to have it taken up just a little bit, maybe just like an inch and a half. Okay, another big winner. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, next I have another maxi dress, but this one's got a little Bardot top, which I am so firstly into maxi dresses right now, and secondly into Bardot tops. So this called to me, it was £34. Let's go ahead and try this one on too. Okay, so this one is definitely too big for me. I think if I remember rightly when I was ordering, when I was looking at the size chart, the one size was going to be a little bit too small, the next size was going to be a little bit too big, and I just felt like, well, it's better to have it big and then maybe I can take it in. So it did turn out pretty large, but I really like the pattern. I like that, let me step back so you can see again. It has these slits in the front that come to just above the knee. There's one on either side. I also really like the sleeves. I've mentioned this before in a different try on haul, but I'm very particular when it comes to Bardot sleeves. This fits really nicely at the arms. It's comfortable. I just wish that it fit at the waist. And the final dress that I got in this order is also a maxi dress. I'm sure you can see a theme. I don't know, maxi dresses just call to my soul. But I am really intrigued and excited about this one because there is a lot going on. A lot of straps, a lot of buttons. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna tie at the back. So it's gonna have like an open back effect, which I think is gonna be really beautiful. There is no way for me to envision what this is going to look like. So again, let's just go and try it on. Okay, this is another big yes. I'm in love. There's so much going on with this dress. There are so many little details. So firstly, let's talk about the back because I feel like that's the real selling point of this dress. So this part does up right here into a cute little bow, and then you have the part that does up right around the neck, and then you have the straps here, which honestly, I feel like I would need to have these taken up just a tad, because right now this is a little loose here. That's completely a me issue. I have the world's smallest shoulders. Anytime I buy a tank top or anything strappy, I always have to have it altered. I don't know, I'm just not proportioned like a human, I guess. Also, what I did not realize was this has a slit in it too. Hello. This slit does come up really far, but again, there's so much fabric here that I'm not concerned that I'm accidentally gonna flash people. There is plenty of fabric here so that even if you are caught in a gust of wind, your modesty is kept intact. Another great success, and I don't want to take it off. And then the last thing that I got in my order from JJ's House was actually a pair of shoes. And I didn't even know that JJ's House had shoes, but they do. They have shoes, they have boots, they actually even like have nightwear and lingerie and handbags. They sell pretty much everything. So I got these little sandals in a khaki color. I can't express to you how much I love shoes. Oh, look how cute they are. Are they going to fit my crazy wide feet though? Because here's the thing, my feet are very wide, and so choosing shoes is always kind of difficult for me. I felt like these with the little bit of the opening at the front maybe would have a little bit more give. But let's try them on and see. Okay, let's see about these shoes. Look at my super wide feet. Will they fit? Okay, so my feet do fit inside, which is good to know for us wide-footed girls out there. I don't know how I feel about the way these shoes are kind of gaping though. I don't know if you can see what I mean, but there's a little bit of a space right here. And when I'm walking, I feel very aware of it, and I don't know if it's because I'm looking down at it. Maybe that makes it look more prominent. Let me just pick you up so you can see my face instead of my feet. You know what? These are so comfortable. The fabric right around here is so soft. With a pair of jeans, I feel like these would look incredible. So as per the end of any try-on haul I've ever filmed, I am now sweaty, disgusting, disheveled, and exhausted. But it was well worth it because I feel like I got some gems. So overall, I am a very satisfied customer once again with JJ's House. Plus, you have that 10% off discount code, which is aimee. I'll link it in the description box, like I said, along with everything mentioned in this video. Okay, I need to like shower and compose myself because that was a lot of stuff to try on, and I feel kind of gross right now. But thank you guys so much for joining me for another day of Vlogmas. Don't forget to pop back tomorrow for some more festive fun. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, I love you all so much, and bye.